try another episode of Coach Karen in the kitchen. I've got the Instant Pot here. I've got, let's get my rice in here. I do 2 cups white rice, 2 cups water with maybe a 1/4 cup extra, maybe 1/2 cup extra, depending on how you like your rice. Sometimes I have to pour water in after it's done cooking to get it to not stick to the pan. All right. My policy for cooking white rice. Lock it in. Manual for 3 minutes. And then 10-minute release. And just, or you can kind of let it just release on its own. It's not much longer than 10 minutes when you do it that way, but anyways, set it and forget it. You know what I mean? Easier sometimes.